Hi guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to remove vendor name in Shopify. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and head on over to myshopify.com, and once you have logged in over at your PC, laptop, or Mac, make sure you input your account so you can easily follow along with the instructions. Once you are in My Shopify, go to Sales Channels and Online Store. Now click on Themes. Over here in your current theme, click on Customize. It's a green button, so it's not hard to miss. Once you will be here, you'll go now to the drop down from above and then go to Products. And then in here, look for the default product. Now tap on it. Once you are here, you can now edit this one as you wish. Scroll down just a bit, and then in here you can delete one of the bars that shows the vendor name. And click on Save on the upper right. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.